Hi guys, magandang hapon. Ayan. Kuha ako ng video para may pang-upload naman ako. Hatid ko tong panganay sa kanyang lesson pero hindi ko alam kung saan siya ang magtuturo sa akin. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalayo. Basta siya ang magtuturo lang sa akin kung paano pumunta ron. Kasi hindi pwedeng mama at papa niya. Ayan, ilibot ko kayo. And then, ha? Just here?
No, you need to walk again.
Yeah, I know. Okay, just wait. Tatawid daw kami. Okay, pati. And then where? Huh? This way what?
Papa is walk like this too. I follow Papa.
You follow Papa. Okay. You make sure you know how to go to your lesson, huh? And then,
Cross the road first.
okay. Okay, and then baby, is it right?
Yes, and then here. Walk.
This here? This way? Ayan, yan lang ang alam ni Manay mag-English. This way, is it here? Is it there? Is it is it right?
Right?
Can you please say hi?
Hi.
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 Hello.
Hello.
Okay. And then baby? Let it faster lang. And then, hey, is it left? Huh?
Here.
Okay. Uy, papuntang palengke to ah. Saan ako tinuturo nitong batang to ah. Hindi mo to tanda. Bahala siya. You sure baby you know how to go to your lesson, huh? And then, what next?
And then
Let me see. Party. And then next. Okay. And then, baby? Okay, this way? Niliko-liko naman niya. Yung anak niya eh. Pag pumupunta rito. Okay, where? Where next? Huh? There? You sure, huh? Huh? Just here? Tatawid? Okay? Next. Pasikot-sikot tong turo nito ah. Okay, diretso. Bibi, diretso. Next. Katie. Huh? Okay.
I don't know how to go.
Oy, just here? Allah. Hindi daw niya alam. Ha? You don't know?
I don't know. I think and cross again the road.
Cross again the road?
Nhìn nhà là có gì?唔好開啊！打倒瀉啊！同你講啊，倒瀉你唔好都食啦，唔到。
Tell me if you don't know, then go back home lah. Baby. And then next. Okay.
喺邊度？快啦，唔好走啦，你又唔可以喺呢度。
Uy, ilang minuto na pala to? 9 minutes na. Nasa kalsada pa rin kami. Sige na po, ikat ko na po itong video ko. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood ng aking mga video. Thank you po. Thank you for watching. Ingat po tayong lahat. God bless us all. Thank you po sa support.